Are you struggling to find skilled developers to amplify your project's potential? Meet Quickly Hire, your solution for professional freelance developers at your fingertips. Our platform connects you with a pre-vetted network of experts ready to bring your digital dreams to life. Say goodbye to long hiring processes and uncertainty. Experience 3 key benefits with Quickly Hire. 1. Custom software solutions tailored to your unique business needs. 2. Robust website development that enhances user experience and visibility. 3. Ongoing maintenance and support to keep your systems optimized. What makes us stand out? Our rigorous vetting process ensures you hire only the best. With expertise across front-end, back-end, and full-stack development, our professionals are adaptable and skilled. Join the thriving businesses that trust Quickly Hire to augment their teams. Stop waiting and start transforming your projects today. Book a call now to connect with a developer ready to elevate your business.